Welcome. Follow me as a Samsung Galaxy A17, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So to get started, you'll want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, turn on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the device, right here where the pin is holding. You want to push it in, and you can see that when you do, the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. On the tray you have space for actually a SD card, surprisingly. Oh, I'm going to grab that as well. There we go. Now you can use two different SIM cards at the same time, or one SIM card and one SD card. So for dual SIM, you would place the card sideways on the SD tray like I just did right here. Now I'm planning to use one of each, so I'm going to move it over to its dedicated spot right here and occupy this one. There we go. Come on, flip in. There we go. With the SD card. Now make sure that the cards that are laying flush on the tray, they should be holding on the tray on its own. Anyway, from there just pop it back into your device and it should start working. There we go, right away. There we go. So the SD card, the SIM card is working, and SD card should be working as well. And yeah, it is. As you can see, we have a notification right here. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.